Today's sunscreens do a lot more than just prevent sunburn. They can also help protect against skin cancer and premature aging. But with so many options on the shelf, knowing how to read a sunscreen label is key to choosing the right one for you and your family. I'm Dr. Charlie Dunn, a board-certified dermatologist, and here's how to decode sunscreen labels so that you can make the best choice. First, you want to look for the words broad spectrum on the label. This means that the sunscreen can protect you from both types of the sun's harmful rays, UVA and UVB. UVA rays can cause premature skin aging, and UVB rays can cause sunburn. Overexposure to either can lead to skin cancer. That's why broad spectrum protection is important. You should also choose a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. SPF, or sun protection factor, tells you how much of the sun's UVB rays the sunscreen filters out. An SPF of 30 blocks 97% of the sun's UVB rays. You also want to look for the words water resistant on the label. While there's no such thing as a waterproof sunscreen, water resistance indicates how long the sunscreen will stay on wet skin. Water-resistant sunscreen stays effective for 40 minutes in the water, while very water-resistant sunscreen lasts for 80 minutes in the water before you must reapply. You can choose mineral, chemical, or hybrid sunscreen. The main difference is their active ingredients. Mineral sunscreens contain titanium dioxide and/or zinc oxide. They absorb and reflect the sun's rays and are recommended for sensitive skin. Chemical sunscreens, on the other hand, do not contain titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. They form a protective layer to absorb the sun's rays. Hybrid sunscreens contain active ingredients found in both mineral and chemical sunscreens. No sunscreen can filter out 100% of the sun's UVB rays, so it's important to seek shade and wear sun protective clothing. This can include a lightweight long sleeve shirt, pants, a wide brim hat, and sunglasses with UV protection. For more effective protection, look for clothing with a UPF label. If you have questions about the best sunscreen for your skin, partner with a board-certified dermatologist.